Hey guys, Eric Casale here, and today we're going to be talking about this bad boy. This is the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Crocodile Backpack, which is stunning. So let's just get into it. I just wanted to do this review because I don't feel like I saw a lot of people talking about it, which is weird because this backpack is beyond beautiful. Let me actually bring you guys down a little bit. And ignore my muffin top. It's working out season. So we're gonna start on the bottom. It is gonna be just like an empty little thing like that. There's no zippers or little baggies in here. It's just like a big ass pocket. Okay. And then we got some gold detailing. We got these little crocodile things. And then you got these little Jeffree Star accents in the bottom that like say Jeffree. What do they say? Oh, they just say Jeffree. I like the little symbol. I like how it's not like, oh, it's like throwing Jeffree Star Cosmetics in your face, but it's just got the symbol, you know? I think it's like sleek, not like a lick. And then inside, here we are. We have this little like laptop area where you can put your laptop. And it's got this little clip so you can shut it so it doesn't like bounce around or whatever. So that's pretty neat. And it's got this little cool embossment on the inside where it says Jeffree Star on it. I thought that was super cool. Yeah. Okay, and then on this side, we have like a little zipper. So you can put like your little goodies in there, your phone, whatever. I usually carry like what I'm gonna be filling it with. Oh, we'll actually do a demonstration of what I'm gonna fill my backpack with. That way you can see the capacity it can hold it in. So you got the little zipper there, and then right under the zipper there's like a little pouch to hold more stuff, and then you have like the main compartment, which is right here. It's kind of like show. So this side is a laptop carrier. Hold on. Over here you got the laptop carrier in there, and then you close that, and then you got the big compartment, and then you have a little small pouch right here, right there, and then you have a little zip baggie right there. So that's the whole thing. Let me go grab my stuff, and we can start putting it in the bag together. Okay, so this is my previous backpack. I got like the classic JanSport, you know, but it's like kind of tearing in the bottom, and I do carry a lot of valuables in here, so I just wanted to make sure that nothing fell out, and oof, yeah, nothing falls out, because I usually carry like my laptop, iPad, things like that. So let's start with my iPad. I'm not gonna put my laptop in only because I'm filming with my laptop actually. So I will be using my iPad as a replacement. So let's put that in the laptop area. Oh, I just think this little like clasping is like so cool, but it's like kind of dumb, but I think it's so cool. And then there you go, clips, so it's snug and secure. Honestly, I feel like I don't have that much stuff. Honestly. And then I have the Orgy palette. I'm gonna take that one with me. Oh, I'll probably put that in the inner part of the bag. That'd be nice. And then I'm gonna take blood money with me. So I'm gonna take, let's see where this fits. I'm kind of scared that the little metal things are gonna like scratch the other palettes, but they're not super sharp, so hopefully they don't. Well, let me actually put it standing up like that. So I actually put, so the backpack is like this. So I just put blood money just straight up and down. But I put, God, this is so hard to do. I put orgy in this, like in this pocket, and I put blood money in the big pocket, like the main pocket. What else? I know I have like markers and stuff. So I have this little reading light that I use when I'm at my boyfriend's house. I'll like clip it onto a book, and then I can like read, because I try to read 10 pages every day. Bigger brain, bigger power. Oh, my head is itching. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna take this with me, and then what is this? Oh, it's like a little microphone. I'll keep that. I don't need that. I have like a little Apple wall outlet thing, so I keep one of those with me. I'm gonna throw that in the front right here. Ooh. I have the purple Choking on Ice Extreme Frost and the Diamond Wet. That way you guys can see them. I'm gonna compare these to the other frost that he released. I mean, Diamond Wet doesn't count because that's a Supreme Frost, and the new ones he brought out are more of like this purple one, the Extreme Frost. So I will be comparing those. I'm gonna put these in my makeup bag because I don't usually carry them in there. I'm gonna carry my Apple Watch charger just in case. You never know. And then I always carry a highlighter for when I'm reading, and then a charger, and then I usually carry like a, what is it, a Type C, I think. Yeah, I usually use it for I have like a portable battery that I use for like my phone and stuff. So that's usually what I use. I'm gonna put that in there. And I think this is the same thing. So I'm actually just gonna keep the longer one. I don't know what I'll do with this. Put it somewhere else. And I have flash drives and this SD card. I don't know for what, honestly. So I'm just gonna take those out. I honestly haven't looked in here forever. And it looks like I have a Sharpie in here. Do I need a Sharpie? No, I'm gonna take it out. I don't want it to leak, you know? So I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything in the small pocket, everything in the big pocket. I will be taking the Alien palette too, because I do want to compare it to Blood Money. What can I put in here? Oh, I can put my USB and chargers in there. Smart. Okay, so I'll put my USBs and stuff in a little pouch. Yeah. Probably my highlighter too. Yeah, I think that's it. The bottom is gonna be for like cables and stuff. I'm gonna close that up. I love how like half my backpack is just like makeup. I think that's hilarious. What else do I put in there? My laptop, but I'm using that. Honestly, I think that's it. It's usually just like a couple palettes that I want to use, and then my laptop, my iPad, some cords that I need. But I think that's about it, actually. So that was actually easier than I thought. Let me think. Let's make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Yeah, I think that's it. Cool. So awesome, guys. I will be doing more Jeffree Star looks with blood money for the month of December. So definitely subscribe if you were thinking about it, or if you like my curly hair, or if you like my makeup skills, or if you like these dusty, crusty nails. But I don't post that often. I am trying to put. I am posting on TikTok though more than YouTube, so definitely check that out too. My handle for TikTok is actually ERICQUEZADA8. And then for my Instagram, I do post on Instagram. I post on Instagram stories quite often actually. Just when I'm feeling like inspired by like new makeup stuff, like makeup looks, makeup releases. So on my Instagram, it's actually ERICNERD, Eric Nerd. And then on my Instagram and then TikTok is usually where I post like my makeup looks, like before and after transformations. And then on Instagram, I usually just find my inspiration on there. So if you guys want to like send me anything on there, I would kind of like that. The next look I'm actually thinking about doing is like one of those butterfly eye looking things. But yeah, guys, if you want to see like more Jeffree Star reviews and stuff like that, definitely let me know down below. Subscribe, and then tell me what two palettes I should use together, because I'm thinking about doing Blood Money and Bloodlust, because purple and greens are the bomb right now. They're literally stunning together. I don't know why everyone doesn't use it, but yeah. Another one I'm actually really excited for. I talked about this in my previous video, but Blood Money with Blood Sugar is gonna be stunning. Green and red and gold. That's like literally Christmas, you know? Christmas in a palette. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. So definitely stay tuned for those. They're gonna be super dope looks. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I know they're gonna be dope as hell and you're gonna wanna watch it. So hit the freaking button. But that's it. I'll take you guys later. And I love y'all. Bye.